A bug is a mistake in your program, causing it to not work or worse, return the wrong results. Here we have a program that works as expected for the expected input. There are two imports, random for pseudo-randomness and a string to get all of the possible characters. Generate password will get a list of all the possible characters, then use them to build up the password. The main method will ask for the length of the password and then use that function and print it to the screen. If we run the program, we get a random password as expected. To find bugs, you can inspect your code at each line, which can be done with lots of print statements, but breakpoints are a better option. To add one, put your cursor on the line you want to start on and press F9. If you're using Visual Studio Code, you get a red dot appear to the left of that line. Press F5 to start debugging. You can then use F10 or the buttons at the top to execute the line you're on. If that line is a call to another method or function, F11 will go into that function. Here I'll step through the remaining lines. You can hover on any variables or look in the locals section to see what their values are. If anything looks different to what you're expecting, that could be the sign of a bug. If your program is quite long, stepping through like this may take a long time. You can add conditionals to breakpoints by right-clicking and edit breakpoint. You can choose any of these options, but I'll use conditional, although you could also use the hit count for this case. The condition I will be using here is when I is equal to 50. If I only want a password with 10 characters, we won't hit the breakpoint, but if I want 50 or more characters, we do. Once we hit it, we can inspect all the values and either keep stepping and inspecting, or continue to the end of the program with F5. Another option you have is to be able to run to a position without a breakpoint. This option is available when you're debugging, but you can right-click on a line and choose Run to Cursor. This will execute all the lines between your current one and the one you right-clicked on. That's all for debugging. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates. Happy coding!